This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're assembling the Witch Gumball machine, which has candy corns in it. And I'm going to pull in my front and my back piece here. I've made a panel that goes on here to make this more sturdy. And even though I do have that panel, you do still want to use a good solid cardstock. I'd use 80 pounds or more. On this one, I made this panel black. You should do the back panel in white, or a light color, so you have a place to write your message. Okay, I just got ahead of myself. I cut it all in black. So here's this side. I've inked the edges of my front panel here. And this would also be cute. I was thinking, if you had a cute pattern paper you wanted to use, so you could add a little more design to your card, because it is pretty plain. It's just a gumball machine. So I'm going to put that in there. The sides are in a little from the outside. I'm going to put the dispenser in place. I'm not going to glue down the part of the gumball machine that would open. I'm going to leave that. You got your little turnstile thing. Then I'm going to put these two pieces together. Okay, once you have these two pieces together, you can lay your card aside. So you have several little candy corns here. I've decided to do some kind of Halloween colors with this. You can do these in any colors you want. I start with the tip and then the middle piece. You can just line up right against it. Whatever color you make your base is the color of your third layer. I did not cut extra support pieces for the inside layers. If you feel like your cardstock needs it, these will fit on the inside if you want to cut them for that. I'm looking to see which ones I want to pop up. So I'm going to use foam tape on two of my candy corns in this back layer. And I'm adding glue because these are Dollar Tree foam squares. And in my older cards, some of them have released. So I just want to ensure the longevity of my card. I mean, they last quite a while. But, and like I said, it's my older cards, but still. It's like this one, but it's still pretty sturdy, even though it's a little bit floppy. But you can double that up if you want with those insert pieces. And then on this side, I'm just going to pop up one. Oops. There we are. And fold those tabs. This one is your front layer, that's your back. So we're going to take our card. I'm going to take my insert with my tabs open. I'm going to lay it right up against the back and fold it over and glue that tab down. Stand it up, put my next layer on. Again, I stand it up on my table so that I know everything is level and my card won't have trouble standing. And glue that down. Now I've got these two tabs that are cascading. I'll put glue on both of them. Enough to stick, hopefully not too much to go over the edge. We're going to leave this other edge flat and take this side here. Oh, I didn't fold that. Let me fold that on the score lines there first. And we're going to glue them to this piece here by just folding them over. Now, if you've used some foam tape, you just want to make sure everything's lining up across the bottom because foam tape does push it up a little. Fold it both ways. And then we're going to glue the card shut. And there is the Witch Gumball machine. Thank you for joining me.